Well, hello everyone, and welcome. I'm Jamie with English by the Gram. As a reminder, first please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here you'll get updated instantly with all of our new videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, today we'll be talking again about there are and there is, but we'll be using question or interrogative form. So, strap on your seatbelts. Let's get ready for some good English. Okay, so let's first do a quick review of there is and there are. Now, if you have forgotten, you can go back to our full lesson with there is and there are. So, this is going to be very quick. Now, there is, we use with singular countable nouns or uncountable nouns. So, for example, there is an apple. Apple is a singular countable noun. There are we use with countable plural nouns. So, there are apples. We do not need an article a or an in front of a plural countable noun. Now, question form or interrogative form is very simple. We use the same principle with the noun. So, all we do is we take the verb and we move it to the front. It's magic. So, let's do several on our own. Okay, first, let's write it in positive. There is homework. Ooh, there must be homework. So, now, if we want to make this a question, we take is and move it to the front. Is there homework? And don't forget to put the question mark at the end. Okay, let's do an example with a plural countable noun. There are people. Okay. Now, this is a very simple sentence. There are people. Okay. Again, all we do is take the verb are and move it to the front. Are there people? Okay, good job. Now, let us do some practice. Okay, let's do some practice. We must fill in the text with the right form of there is or there are. Let's take a look. First, here we have bath. Bath is a singular countable noun. Therefore, we must use is, right? There Do we need anything else? Yes, we do. We need an article, because it's singular and countable. Is there a bath? Is there a bath? Is there a bath? Yes. And we answer the same way the question is asked. Yes, there is. Another question. Again, what type of noun is this? Balcony. Well, it's singular countable. I can say the house has one balcony or the house has two balconies. So this is one balcony, a balcony. So is there a balcony? No, we have negative. There isn't. Okay, now the next one. Pay close attention to the noun restaurants. What is that? That's plural. All right. So we have a question. And remember something very important. Of course, first we use are there. But remember, what do we need? Good. We need to put any. Okay, remember we use any with questions and negatives with plural nouns. Okay? Okay, a good Italian restaurant. Okay, well, restaurant is singular. Let's contract. There is, it means there's. There's a good Italian restaurant. But that's contrast. That means we need to use a negative form. But there aren't any shops. There aren't any shops. Shops, plural. Okay, this is easy. Swimming pool. Well, that's singular. So is there, don't forget the article, a swimming pool. Is there a swimming pool? Yes. It's next to the gym, but it's very cold. Okay, let's look at the next one. Question. Okay, so places. Well, guess what? That's plural. So, are there any? Because it's plural and it's a question. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, here, remember, when we have items in a series, we do not use the plural form there are. Okay? We just only use there is. There is. Oops. I forgot to use my article. Shame on me. All right, everyone. In this exercise, we will be forming the question and giving the answer. So we have the noun. In number 2, the noun is towels. Now, towels, of course, is plural and countable. So, are there any towels? Question mark. No, there aren't. All right. Number 3, TV. Well, what type of noun is TV? Singular. Very good. Is there, remember article a, TV? Question mark. Yes, there is. Okay. Now, So, is there a TV? Yes, there is. Number 4, newspapers. Plural, are. Are there, remember with plural nouns, any newspapers? Question mark. Yes, there are. Good, guys. You're doing pretty good. Number 5, bath. Well, as we know from our previous exercise, bath is singular and it is countable. Is there, don't forget article, a bath? Question mark. Yes, there is, period. Fridge. Again, this is singular and countable. Is there a fridge? Question mark. Is there a fridge? No, their contracted form isn't. Is there a fridge? No, there isn't. Is there a fridge? No, there isn't. Refreshments. Plural. Are there, remember, any refreshments? Question mark. Yes, there are. Okay, so keep up the good work and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next lesson. Keep practicing. Have a good day.